Hi guys, it's me and Edward, and it's Money Gaming, and we're gonna play Hot Wheels Race Off, I think. Okay, I'm gonna go first, and it's kind of cool game. You should download it. It's for free on the App Store and like anything else. Okay.
Shut up, no.
Shut the fuck up. Okay.
I sure Dickacious? I'm not sure.
A Dickacious?
Where? In here?
Look, he's trying to get those eyeballs. Okay. Go to single player. And go to, come on, 3.
The
Okay.
car is so boring.
Yeah, because I need to get a better car. Whoa. Whoa. Ah! Like, no. Oh, now it's Edward's turn.
You suck. You just got, oh no.
Oh, God. Yeah. Okay, guys. This is not going to be like a long video. It's just going to be a little bit. Who cares? It's going to be a stuff video, motherfuckers. Motherfucker. Motherfucker. Okay, motherfucker. Okay, I got this, motherfucker. Go. Okay, I got this. I think I got this. Pretty sure I got this. Come on, don't fall. Yes.
Last time you couldn't do it, now you can do it.
Yeah, finally, though. Whoa, I believe I can fly higher than the sky. No! Yes! Dude, that was sick. I almost got out of my gas, dude. Like, you should have saw that. Like, that was cool. No, please. Yes!
Dude, we're going to...
We're not dead yet. We're not dead. No, please. I made it this far. No!
What is that?
Okay, guys, that's the end of the video because our timer's going. So I know it's just 2 minutes, like 70 seconds. And bye, guys. Hope you guys comment. And if you want, if we get just 10 likes, I'll do more videos. Bye, guys. Bye.